the Tesla Model 3, the Model Y, and the Cybertruck are one of the most #1 American-made vehicles out there. Really cool to see this study here. Not even Ford, not even GM are in the top 10 list. The most American vehicles, actually the most American truck is actually going to be the Tesla Cybertruck at 65% content. More than assembled, the parts are overwhelmingly made in America, Elon said here. Very interesting to see him weigh in this on. I mean, it's pretty interesting to see all the different parts and everything here. For the first time, 7 Tesla models earned spots in the top 10 2026 KOGOT Made in American Auto Index. And so, I mean, if you're proud of this or something like that, then certainly, or if you want to buy because of America, then it's very interesting to see that Tesla has made the top spot over Ford and GM on some of the other ones. Quote from Wes here, the engineers of the Cybertruck: "Don't forget, Cybertruck, it's not on cars.com, America's Made Index, since it's a high payload, brings over gross vehicle weight over 10,000 pounds. But KOGOT compared all vehicles without arbitrary exclusion criteria, and Cybertruck comes in right behind the Model 3 and the Model Y. Model 3 was #1, Model Y and then Model 3 Performance, #2, the Cybertruck, Model S, #4, the Jeep Gladiator, and then the Jeep Willys." Okay, so there are some other American brand names that were on the list to see this, but very interesting to see this. And if you're going to be buying a brand new Tesla, you're going to need some all-weather floor mats. Our favorite says from 3W, especially when you use promo code Dennis35, you get a massive 35% off. So if you're looking for a floor mat that has lifetime warranty, perfect fitment for your Model 3 or Model Y and other Tesla vehicles, definitely check out 3W down below in the description and use that promo code Dennis35 for a massive 35% off.